Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into another essential Excel tutorial. Have you ever needed to calculate the position of students based on their scores in a result sheet? Well, the rank function in Excel can save you a tons of time. Stick with me as I guide you step by step through this process. So this is the result sheet of the student, and here we can see that we have the student names, their roll numbers, their marks in 3 subjects, and after that we have the total marks, and next is the percentage that is calculated on the basis of the total marks, and after this we have the rank or position. Now to determine the rank or position, I need to write rank function in this H2 cell. So here I will write equal rank. I'll choose this function, and in the syntax you can see that I first need to choose the number. So I will select this number because I want to determine the position of this number, and after this I need to provide the refer or the all numbers to which I want to compare this number. So I'll select all the percentages and then log this with the help of F4 key, and next I just need to close this bracket and hit enter. So here you can see that the Excel has determined the rank of this first percentage as compared to all the students. And now the next thing is that I need to calculate the rank of the rest of the student. And for this purpose, I just need to place my cursor on the lower right corner of this cell and then double click it. So you can see that it has determined the rank of all the students. Now think about, if you are dealing with the result of hundreds and thousands of the students, how much time Excel can save for you. And that's it. Calculating ranks in Excel has never been easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more Excel tips. Let me know in the comments which function you would like me to explore next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.